Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to measure an internal resistance of battery using a meter that I've designed myself and finished with help of JLC PCB. At first, let's see what's inside. Here we have some basic components. The ATtiny45 is Arduino compatible chip, small and easy. TM1637 is an integrated driver for 7-segment display. It reduces required data pins to only 2, CLK and DIO. The display contains 4 digits. Next, the resistor network is parallel connection of 10 100 ohm precise resistors, which are the load for the battery. We can control the load using a transistor. It's controlled by ATtiny. Well, that's it. The simple battery tester. I'm going to try the AAA and CR2032 batteries. Let's see how high is the internal resistance of those batteries. First, something about 400 milliohm. The second one, 4000 milliohm. Well, it works. So thanks for watching, please subscribe and see you next time.